I've never seen it stopped. It must, oh, this guy just dragging right on the shoulder. Looks Chinese.
The puppies had a long day in the mountains today, and all of them but Dave are snoring right now.